Hello, my name is Kevin Smith and I'm the IT Director for the City of Snoqualmie. And today I'm going to talk to you about how IT services you, the citizen, as well as the city. So what does Snoqualmie IT provide? We provide IT services for the City of Snoqualmie and the City of Duval. We support the City of Duval through an interlocal agreement, and then we provide similar services to what we provide to Snoqualmie. Those services include a complete life cycle support for the technology infrastructure, which runs all of the software and applications and services that we provide, as well as the software applications and software services. We also provide hands-on desktop support for any of the issues that might arise as staff use those resources. The technology infrastructure that we provide the network, which includes the internet access, intranet connectivity between the buildings, and Wi-Fi. Our internet access is provided through two redundant failover circuits, one provided by King County iNet services, and the other by a third-party vendor. We also provide intranet connectivity between the 6 sites in the City of Snoqualmie, as well as some of the satellite sites. This allows our remote employees who don't work at City Hall to have access to those resources and services provided here at City Hall. We also provide Wi-Fi infrastructure for all of our locations. That includes a public Wi-Fi access for all the citizens to join into, as well as a secure Wi-Fi network segment for staff to complete work in a secure way. We provide the compute infrastructure. The compute infrastructure is comprised of physical computers, as well as virtual computers, laptops, and servers. The computer infrastructure is very diverse. We have 20 physical servers. On those 20 physical servers, we host approximately 100 virtual servers that provide the application platform for applications and services that run the city. We deploy over 35 physical computers for desktops and laptops to service our city council as well as key individuals within the city. And we provide 100 virtual desktops for the majority of our staff here at the city. Some of the key software applications used within the City of Snoqualmie are Springbrook, Trackit, MainStar, and Agenda Builder. Springbrook is our enterprise resource planning software used mainly by the finance department and many others for budgeting, time reporting, payroll, and billing. In partnership with the finance department, IT is in the planning phases for an entire ERP replacement project. Trackit provides the community development department with a tool to manage and track the permitting application. It also gives feedback to the citizens on where their application is in that process. The Public Works Department uses MainStar platform to track their capital assets and manage the life cycle. The City Administration Department relies heavily on Agenda Builder software to create and display the City Council agendas. The city also relies heavily on software services for daily productivity software, and those are listed here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email info@snoqualmiewa.gov, and thank you for listening.